Today we're going to be discussing the differences between ASL, or American Sign Language, SEE, or Signed Exact English, and PSE, Pidgin Signed English. Welcome to Sign Tribe Academy. I'm Dr. Luann Sailors, the founder and instructor for Sign Tribe. We offer a comprehensive American Sign Language curriculum that covers various aspects of ASL, including vocabulary, conversational signing, sentence structure, and deaf culture. You may have heard of the following terms in relation to American Sign Language, or ASL, Signed Exact English, or SEE, and Pidgin Signed English, or PSE. In this video, we're going to learn about the general differences between these three signed languages. Here's a fun fact for you. Just like spoken languages, did you know that signed languages differ in various countries? Now for the explanation of American Sign Language. ASL is a very expressive language that also heavily incorporates facial expressions and body language. Very much visual expression is incorporated, and even the grammar structure is different than spoken or signed English. When using ASL to communicate, you'll leave out the non-essential words with its unique structure and expressing much of what you're feeling through the incorporation of signing, body language, and facial expressions. SEE is not focused on expressions and is an exact word-for-word translation of spoken English in English grammatical order, as it would be written or spoken. Some signs in Signed Exact English may even differ from ASL. PSE can be thought of as a combination of ASL and SEE. Many people who are hearing often use this method of sign language tend to use ASL signs with spoken English or written order. Whether you want to learn ASL to communicate with others just for fun, or to improve communication with your autistic child, or to strengthen your bond with someone, Sign Tribe Academy is the perfect solution. Be sure to check out Sign Tribe today, and thank you for stopping by.